Blank sheet of paper, soft and easily crumbled. When the light shines through, it can never be dazzled. And it's not perfect, I know, but I'm gonna shape it still, till it is more than a sheet of paper. Every shade of it, reminder. Find my way in the sky, find my way to fly high. Never felt so alive. Spread my wings and glide. Joyful tears with pride. Find my way in the sky, find my way. Then I realize rules can be defined. I'll catch the light, at least I give it a try. Give it a try. Give it a try. Give it a try. I gave it a try. Ooh.
E-grain. This is it! Wait a sec!
We're the Wishmaster's Paladins. We've been tasked with recovering and investigating all suspicious wish bottles. You're not dream warehouse keepers. Stay out of our way!
But that bottle is important to us! We need it to save lives! Gerota!
Gerota, you know our code. Stop getting in our way! The descendant of a traitor dares to question us? You want to be locked up again?
No, I don't.
Let's go!
Stop! I'm the intern keeper of the Dream Warehouse, Nanoi. 6,239 years ago, humans and Fey Wish Sprites signed the Dream Warehouse management contract. Fey Wish Sprites have the right to take wishing orbs, but not wishing items. To remove wishing items, permission may only be granted by a Dream Warehouse keeper.
You're only an intern keeper? Who do you think you are? This is a direct order from the Wishmaster. We don't need anyone's permission.
Last warning. Put down the wish bottle, or else I'm going to use force.
Ha! Go ahead. Let's see you use force. Do it! You're a joke.
Nanoi!
Stop there!
I got it! Let's go! Gerota, are you okay? I'm fine. Hurry up and read your mother's wish. I wish for Nanoi to grow up strong and reliable. When this happens, I'll feel reassured. When she flies free from my arms, I'll release this paper crane. There's something written underneath. Take your time, daughter. You'll always be your mother's little girl. No one knows you better than your own mother. Her wish is for you to grow strong. That way, you can achieve whatever you want. But how will we know when this wish is fulfilled? It's not that kind of wish. We can't clearly define when it's fulfilled.
Fulfilling her mother's wish might take a really long time.
It's okay. Even if my mom can't wake up now, at least I know what I need to do. She's always been so supportive. She loves me. Maybe too much. She's worried my curiosity may be trouble. When she wakes up, you can talk it over with her. You're right. When she wakes up, and she will wake up, I'll hug her, and then share all my hopes and dreams.
Beautiful.
Nikki, everyone, thank you for all your help. Wait, Nikki, you wanted to ask me about something. What was it?
I made a wish at the Great Wish Tree when I first arrived in Flora-Wish, and I heard a song, but it was only in my head. I thought it might be a kind of clue to help us find the miracle outfit. Then I heard Jean and Ruby hum the same tune. They said that they had learned it from you.
Oh, I see. That song. It's from a music box I had since I was a baby. Mom said it was already with me. It was in my cradle when she adopted me. As a child, we would sit together on the terrace. She'd hold me in her arms. I'd use the music box. We'd both hum along. I reminisce when I hear it. The song is like the key to my heart. Maybe, since it helped me, it can help you too, to find the miracle outfit. I'll go look for the music box. Nikki, meet me on the second floor terrace. Nikki, you're here. This is my music box.
Nikki!
I got inspiration for the miracle outfit. It's called Wishful Rosa.
Wishful Rosa? Where'd you get that name?
When I got the inspiration, I saw a mysterious figure humming this song. It was ancient and sad. Countless Arosa blossomed around him. Golden light glowed from a slender bottle. He cradled it in his arms.
Like the Wishing One figurine in the music box?
Yes, exactly. Especially the bottle.
That's the Wishing One's legendary supreme artifact.
The object the Prophet foresaw? What the Wish Envoy gets in the future? Is that the same artifact you're talking about?
Momo, I think this clue is an important part of acquiring the entire Wishful Rosa outfit. The inspiration was only for part of the outfit. Maybe, as we get closer to the Prophet, we'll discover more about the Wishing One's supreme artifact.
So, where are we off to next?
I don't know. Maybe the ledger. We were so focused on the coma incident, we didn't have time to check it. Since the Wish Envoy is connected to the Prophet, maybe it holds some clues.
My mom's name. It's not in the ledger.
Let me see. Oh, you're right. It isn't in there.
We know she bought a Quick Wish bottle. So if she bought it, why isn't it in the ledger?
That's strange.
Also, a lot of the names here, they're Flamecrest Festival participants.
Flamecrest Festival?
It's a grand festival held in Stoneville. But beyond that, I don't know much.
The residents of Stoneville are close with the PCs. So, with Fey-Wish sprites and Floor-Wish folk, they try to keep their distance.
Besides a few traders, we don't really hear from them much. Even our wish-making traditions are different. As a dream warehouse keeper, I'm afraid I won't be able to accompany you to Stoneville.
Fey-Wish sprites aren't welcome there either. I'll just have to sneak in.
Let's split up for now then. We'll meet up later to share information.
But we don't really know anything about Stoneville. We should ask the people there. Or maybe a PC.
Miss Dodo Bear?
Yeah, we'll talk to Dodo Bear at the bridge near the Meadow Activity Support Center. She owes us one anyway.
Nikki, Momo, take care. And don't trust the PCs. They supposedly bring bad luck. If you need anything, come find me.
Yup. We're here, Marquez. How did you turn into an old man in just a few days?
Have you considered that I'm actually his grandfather, Marquez Sr.?
Sorry. It's just that usually Marquez Jr. is here.
He's gone to the Firework Isles. He said he'd be back after the opening ceremony of this year's Carnival of Fireworks. If you want to see him, you'll have to wait a few days.
Wow! The Firework Isles must be really fun for a guy like Marquez Jr. to leave the shop and visit.
If only he'd actually gone there to have fun. He's been in a real slump lately. Keeps his nose in design sheets day in and day out. I told him to rest, but he wouldn't listen. A while back, I saw him talking to some small red being that could fly. I don't know what they were talking about, but he's been looking a bit distracted ever since.
We've seen similar beings, but they were blue, not red. Could it be a different type of Feywish sprite?
It was too far away to get a good look at. I pried, but he wouldn't budge. Then he just blurted out that he was going to the Firework Isles. I'm worried he's fallen for some kind of scam.
I had no idea Marquez Jr. got so anxious.
I can understand how he feels. There's no telling when a breakthrough will come, or if it ever will. The only thing you can do is keep pushing yourself further.
You're right. That kid is too eager to prove himself. He'd never mention it, but he's always practicing in his free time. Enough about him. So, are you going to buy any clothes?
Mayor Grace asked us to pick up a gift for Mr. Minogue on the Firework Isles.
Oh, that. I know that one. It's ready.
Minogue of the Sizzle and Spark Center. Yeah, that's the one.
Mind if I, ask you for a favor, too? Could you check on my grandson for me when you're on the Firework Isles? If it's not too much trouble.
Okay. Do you know how to get there?
Head over to Flora Wharf and look for a boatman named David. He works for Sizzle and Spark Center and manages the route to the Firework Isles.
David. Got it. Thank you, sir.
It's me who should be thanking you. Have a safe trip.
Hi, Miss Dodo Bear. Oops, sorry.
You are so rude, disrupting a lady's musical moment.
It won't happen again.
Speak. What is it that brings you here?
Miss Dodo Bear, earlier you said, if we ever find ourselves needing help, we can come to you.
That's right. As a lady, I keep my word. And I have something important to tell you. It's about the Prophet.
That's just what we need.
I, a lady, overheard him. It was purely by accident, but that rude wish envoy locked me away. Just because I accidentally overheard him speaking to the Prophet. Unfortunately, I didn't get a good look at him. Their conversation was about the Flamecrest Festival being held in Stoneville.
Flamecrest Festival? So, that must be their goal.
They also mentioned a name, Giovanni. Those two are up to no good. And this Giovanni definitely sounds like their next target.
Giovanni? You mean the merchant? The one who sells the wish flight paper?
That I don't know. What I do know is that they're looking for Giovanni in Stoneville.
So Giovanni went to Stoneville. Thank you for the information, Miss Dodo Bear. I appreciate it.
Don't mention it. You saved my life. Just consider it a lady returning the favor. You seem like you're in a rush. Do you know how to get to Stoneville? From the Meadow Activity Support Center, keep walking straight ahead. When you come across the towering stones, you'll know you've arrived. You should hurry, otherwise you'll miss the festival.
Nikki, why do you think the Wish Envoy and the Prophet want Giovanni?
Who knows? But we need to find him. Once we arrive in Stoneville, we'll ask around. We've got to act fast.
Why won't you let me in the village? I'm the renowned makeup artist Timis. You'll regret keeping me out. You're missing out on the world's greatest beauty products, all at 2% off. 2% off!
Ha! Not even for 50%. For a little kid, you've got some attitude. We don't deal with anyone from that cursed land. We've heard all about it. The makeup artist making beauty products in the Wishing Woods, along with a bunch of nonsense Fey-Wish sprites. Saps and Flora-Wish might buy into that, but not us. Hurry along, you're not welcome in Stoneville. There's no business for you here.
But... Enough! I'm gonna let that go. I've got a very important client waiting. You wait. I'll be back. I won't give up!
Wait, Timis!
Timis ran off in a huff. She didn't notice us at all.
This place really doesn't welcome Feywish sprites, or anything related to them.
And who are you?
I'm a traveling stylist who just arrived. I'm Nikki, and this is Momo.
Yep, I'm Momo.
Are you the one? The brilliant and courageous stylist rumored to have battled none other than the Wish Envoy?
Yep, that's me.
I've heard the Wish Envoy has a Fey-Wish sprite as his puppet. Is it true?
So, you're a gossip.
Little kitty, I'm past my prime. If it weren't for juicy gossip, I'd have never agreed to patrol the village entrance for Spindle. Huh! A long time ago, old Pietro used to be the most promising lad in the village. So, you're here. Must be for the coma cases. Continuing the investigation? I understand. Gotta stay low-key. But any info you can share?
Mr. Pietro, although we've caught the Wish Envoy, there's someone even more mysterious behind him. The Prophet. Based on all the intel, it seems like the next target might be Giovanni.
What? They're after Giovanni? He's the lad who brought miracles back to Stoneville. We can't let him be next. No. He's been in the Stoneville market lately, selling his wish flight paper. It's pretty far. It'll take time to get there.
Uncle Pietro! Is my dad back yet?
Louise! I'm only 46 years young. My hearing is fine. I don't think your dad is back yet. Also... Louise, this is Nikki, a stylist from out of town. She's a nice girl like yourself. Can you give her a ride to see Giovanni? It's important.
Of course! Hi there, I'm Louise, and I'm a stylist like you. I'm from Stoneville, and my favorite crafting material is scarf worms.
So far, I like them all. No favorites.
I save the chit-chat. You two hurry up. Quickly, get in the carriage. Louisa's father is this village's wish collector. She'll help you find Giovanni, and I can take a nap. Let's hope Giovanni is still at the market. May the Silver Gale be with you.